This is Aaron Dunn speaking. This is my first official intro. May God bless every one of you. Hello viewers, including Frank, H, Jordan, Nick, and all the others, including Kay Calla, which of course requested me to do this video. This is the AT&T TL92328 DECT 6.0 cordless speakerphone set of 3 with digital answering systems ringtones that I will be getting to today as well. So, here is the ringtones. Let's go to the home tone first. Alright, now let's go all the way through the ringtones. So that was it for the ringtones of the AT&T TL92328 DECT 6.0 cordless speakerphone set of 3 with digital answering system. So that was it for the ringtones of it. And if you have any questions, problems, concerns, or whatever while I'm doing this video, please make sure to leave a like, comment, or subscribe, or please leave me a message on the YouTube comments page or comments box. So long, everyone, and as always, well, Kay Calla, this one was for you. And of course, since you requested it, and I almost forgot to do it, I decided to do it today. So, anyways, may God bless every one of you. Thank you for watching my videos. May God bless every one of you.